going to hide the story this time. But, as usual, you are all so close to solving this case. I have 2 last clues for you. 1, 2. The first one, you have to listen with your ears for 15 seconds to work out what it means. And the second clue, you have to find. Here is the listening one. Listen carefully. I wonder what that music might mean. Now, the last clue, story detectives, is hiding under the bean bags. Good luck. Bye.